Hi folks, this is AJ from Clearview Accessories. Sometimes people end up with problems with their mirror caps. They can need replacing for impact related reasons, or sometimes you might want to try our chrome cap or the raw cap so that you can colour match it to your car. People go, oh, how do we do this? Simply put, your mirror, it can be on the car or off the car. We're using off the car for this demonstration. What we do first, you've got to remove the glass. What I'm trying to do is leverage against the tab that's holding next to the actuator. Once you get on the tab, so I get above that, from there, and I lift slightly. From there, pushing the tab away. Now, this one needs a little bit extra work, so there is a couple of screws here. It's 5 screws in total, but we're only going to loosen 4. The 4th one is just under here. We'll put a graphic up on the screen to show you exactly which screws you're loosening. This one's a little bit tricky, but just go gently. Now, once those screws are loose, this whole front face is now loose. We call this the mirror head frame. Now when you're going in on the head here, what you're trying to do is just unclip at these points here. Before you put the cap back on, you need to do those screws up again, okay? So you make sure it's sitting flush. You also want to make sure that any wires that are underneath are not going to be between, or not going to impinge on anything here. So it's all sitting flush, flat. Check around the edge there. Make sure it's not up like that. So sitting flat, sitting flat. Do your screws up. For me, it's a lot easier to do it while it's still on the car. Putting your glass back on. Brace the back of the mirror, flat hand. Now, when putting the cap back on, or your new cap on, first thing, these 2 parts here need to sit flat in these guides. Making sure that it's flat there. Press this side in first. Cap changed, you're all done.